welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV with the 50s Mark II. I filmed the POV segment a couple of months ago while I was working with Fujifilm on the promo for the 50s Mark II. So if you guys want to see the rest of that video where I get into a lot more detail on using this camera for street, I'll drop it in the description down below. But when it comes to using the 50s Mark II for street, it's just kind of crazy how far these GFX camera bodies have come. Now normally GFX cameras, larger format cameras, medium format cameras, these are normally used for more static photography. So portrait shoots, studio work, landscape stuff, product photography, the kind of work where you can place a camera on a tripod. Whereas with the newer GFX camera bodies, you can now use these cameras very easily for street. They're pretty lightweight, they're weather resistant, they autofocus quickly, so you don't really lose much from going from the classic X series cameras up to the GFX. Now obviously the X series cameras, the smaller ones, are a bit faster when it comes to autofocusing, and they're lighter and smaller too, but with the GFX you do get some advantages. So when it comes to cropping, with that larger sensor and the higher megapixel count, you can crop right into the images. And what I found was when I was editing the images, I just had far more freedom to crop in without losing detail. And secondly, the dynamic range from the files that came out of the 50s Mark II was really good. And I found that I could pull out more detail from the shadows and the highlights than I could do with similar images taken on my X Pro 2 or on my X-T4. So on the whole, I really enjoyed using this 50s Mark II for street. If you guys want to check out the promo video I made with Fujifilm, I've got that in the link below. And if you have any questions at all about this camera or about the POV, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to get back to you. A huge thanks for watching this episode. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.